So okay, now we are going to demonstrate how we are going to track the experiment using the titration method. So you can see that there is a hot plate and the reaction will be ethanol and ethanoic acid. The ethanol can react with ethanoic acid to form the ethyl ethanoate. And this is a quite slow process, and we can monitor the rate of reaction by looking at how much reactant left behind. The easier way will be we can do the titration of these reactant left behind and see how is the reaction progressing. Firstly, we have to have a hot plate to increase the rate of reaction. And now, it's not yet the start of reaction. I just put it here, and then it stirred by itself. I mean, there is a stirrer here, and then now 80, okay, make it to be 95 degrees Celsius. And what should I do next is that I am going to add the acid here. At the time I add in the acid, then there would be reaction, and we will call it to be the time 0. So I add in now. I add the acid inside, and it continues to react. And after 30 seconds, so it's now 1 minute 10 seconds. Now, that is the time we can take a rest. What we mean by take a rest is that, okay, you can see that this is now reacting, and we're waiting, and then the concentration of both the alcohol and the acid will decrease, and the product ethyl ethanoate would increase. However, the rate is slow that we can monitor it in this way. Now, I would like to pick 10 cm cube of the reactant out. So I use this pipette and get 10 cm cube out. Alright, and what should I do next is that I have to put it into the small beaker here, which is ready. And it is cooled by the ice. So we will say that the reaction is being quenched in this way. And then is 10 seconds more. Now, I get the solution. Once again, another 30 seconds passed. So I add into another new small beaker, the 60-second ones. And then you can see that, well, the time is almost there. Okay, now so you can see the ice is being chilled here under the small beakers. So it will be so-called cooled. But better, we'll have some water inside to have a better cooling effect using the ice cold water. And next up, I'm going to add the last bit. Okay, and then add it here. So you may say that, so what's happening here is that you can see the reactant, original reactant, keep on reacting. However, at 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds, the reaction are halt in this point. And we can follow the progress of this reaction by determining the amount of acid left inside this beaker, and then this beaker. And then we can follow the rate of reaction of this progress. And of course, remember that don't just use the ice, but better use some ice cold water. What is the ice cold water? Just add some water in the beaker, and that is it. So the cooling effect would be much better. But of course, prepare it before that. Don't prepare it at last. Alright? So, that is what we are going to learn today, and thank you for your attention.